Hi, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro Plus, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. So this is the USB Type-C cable. Also get here the charger brick, original Realme charger. And let's also open this paper box. Here we can see the SIM eject tool and some paperwork like the quick start guide, empty guide, safety guide, and the warranty card inside. And also we got the protective silicone case. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.